Here's 3 nice pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. They all have potential to cut good stones. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. First piece, it's a case of generally with a piece like this you've got to sacrifice one piece to get to the other, but there's a stone here. It's probably cut through there somewhere. It's not really that good on that side, but if you line it up, say you cut through about there somewhere, you end up with that one. That one, if you want to sacrifice probably just a little bit of the end, and then you end up with this stone on the top. This one here, that one there, and then there's, looks like there's a fissure of opal in behind there, but I think that'll get lost when you take those two off. That's one piece. This piece needs a little bit of care to see if we can get some more of this brown out. So this is a piece for a Dremel. This piece has already been, the brown's been taken out and it's undulating face. It's ready to basically polish. It's a nice little piece. Maybe take that off there a little bit, that off the bottom, end up with more of a stone, or if you want a pendant with character, maybe just leave it more or less as it is. It's thick enough just to leave as it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.